Let me tell you something, you don't have to buy that expensive microphone. You only need this VST plugin, okay, to change that your cheap microphone to any expensive microphone in this world. Let's walk through this after the intro. Yo, the name is Gosa once again, and still the solution carrier, providing solutions to your problems. Hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel, turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Alright guys, we are in FL Studio now. We're gonna do a little bit mixing here, then I'm gonna introduce you to the VST plugin that's gonna change your cheap microphone to any expensive microphone. Okay, so I'm gonna open the playlist. Let me minimize it. Okay, then I'm gonna bring in this. Okay, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Give the video a like if it helps you. Then you can also download this VST plugin from the link in the description box. Okay, give the video a like if it helps you, then also turn on the notification bell, share the video as well guys. So let's move on. We want to detect the tempo for this. Okay, so we're gonna click here, detect tempo. Okay, so we're gonna choose this. All right guys, we're gonna change to the song mode. Then first of all, let's listen to this. This is the beat and the vocals from here.
All the guys they spoiling my vibe. She stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they spoiling my vibe. She say she love me. Yeah. All the guys they spoiling my vibe. She stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they spoiling my vibe. She say she love me. Yeah. All the guys they spoiling my. She stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they spoiling my vibe. She say she love me. All the guys they spoiling my vibe. She stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they spoiling my vibe. She say she love me. Yeah.
This track belongs to an artist from UCC, University of Cape Coast. Okay, the name is Lespo. Alright, so I'm gonna solo the vocals alone, then we listen to it.
All the guys they spoiling my vibe. She stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they spoiling my vibe. She say she love me, yeah, yeah. All the guys they spoiling my vibe. She stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they spoiling my vibe. She say she love me, yeah, yeah. All the guys they spoiling my. She stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they spoiling my vibe. She say she love me, yeah, yeah. All the guys they spoiling my vibe. She stick to me, she no need no one.
Alright guys, so this vocals here, I've done a little bit mixing. Okay, not fully mixed. Okay, so let's listen to that one. Then we're gonna use the mic modulation on this vocals. Okay, let's listen to that.
All the guys they spoiling my vibe. She stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they spoiling my vibe. She say she love me, yeah, yeah. All the guys they spoiling my vibe. She stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they spoiling my vibe. She say she love me, yeah, yeah. All the guys they spoiling my. She stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they spoiling my vibe. She say she love me, yeah, yeah. All the guys they spoiling my vibe. She stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they spoiling my vibe. She say she love me, yeah.
Okay, so when you compare to the first one, you can see this one. Let's go back. You can see this one is compressed and EQ. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna route this rather to the mixer track 1, then route the beat 2 to mixer track 2. Okay, route this to mixer track 2. Okay guys, now let's open the mixer track.
All the guys they spoiling my vibe. She stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they spoiling my vibe. She say she love me, yeah, yeah. All the guys they spoiling my vibe. She stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they spoiling my vibe. She say she love me, yeah, yeah.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna load the VST plugin that you can use to change your cheap microphone to any expensive microphone. Okay, so we're gonna set that one on the vocals. Okay, so the name for this one is Antares mic mode. Okay, it's mic modulation. Okay, you can get this from the link in the description box. All right, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. So for you to use this, if you know your mic source, you can select your mic source from here. Okay, maybe you are using Behringer, you just choose Behringer for the mic source. Then the model mic that you want to change the Behringer to, you're going to change that one here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to bypass it, because my microphone is very cheap and I don't even have it here. Okay, so I'm going to bypass that. Then I'm going to choose the type of microphone that I want. Okay guys, so let's solo the vocals alone so that you can see. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here, give the video a like. All right, so let's check some of the microphone. Play it.
All the guys that they spoiling my bar, she stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys that they spoiling my bar, she say she love me, yeah. All the guys that they spoiling my bar, she stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys that they spoiling my.
Guys, you can hear that. Check the difference.
All the guys that they spoiling my bar, she stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys that they spoiling my bar, she say she love me, yeah. All the guys that they spoiling my bar, she stick to me, she no need no one.
Okay, so you can change your cheap microphone to any microphone. We have Rode. Okay, Rode NT1. Okay, let's check that.
All the guys that they spoiling my bar, she stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys that they spoiling my bar, she say she love me, yeah. All the guys that they.
I'm gonna add the beat. Okay, let's change.
All the guys that they spoiling my bar, she stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys that they spoiling my bar, she say she love me, yeah. All the guys that they spoiling my bar, she stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys that they spoiling my bar, she say she love me, yeah. All the guys that they spoiling my, she stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys that they spoiling my bar, she say she love me, yeah. All the guys that they spoiling my bar.
Guys, you can see, you can hear that. Okay, so Sony C48. Okay, now let's listen.
All the guys that they spoiling my bar, she stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys that they spoiling my bar, she say she love me, yeah.
Without it.
All the guys that they spoiling my bar, she stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys that they spoiling my bar, she say she love me, yeah.
And with the mic modulation, guys, solo the vocals alone.
All the guys that they spoiling my bar, she stick to me, she no need no one.
You can also play with the approximately here.
All the guys that they spoiling my bar, she stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys that they spoiling my bar, she say she love me, yeah. All the guys that they spoiling my bar, she stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys that they spoiling my bar, she say she love me, yeah. All the guys that they spoiling my, she stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys that they spoiling my bar, she say she love me, yeah. All the guys that they spoiling my bar, she stick to me, she no need no one.
So guys, you can play with these knobs here. Okay, figure 8.
All the guys that they spoiling my bar, she say she love me, yeah. All the guys that they spoiling my bar, she stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys that they spoiling my bar, she say she love me, yeah. All the guys that they spoiling my bar, she stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys that they spoiling my bar, she say she love.
Let's add the beat.
All the guys that they spoiling my bar, she stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys that they spoiling my.
Then you can also add tube saturation. Okay,
Yeah. All the guys they just spoiling my but she stick to me, she
so
no
guys,
need no one.
you hear
All
that?
the guys they just spoiling my but she say she love me, yeah. All the guys they just spoiling my but she stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they just spoiling my but she say she love me.
Then you can also play with the output level here. I'm gonna play around it so that you listen.
Yeah. All the guys they just spoiling my but she stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they just spoiling my but she say she love me, yeah. All the guys they just spoiling my, she stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they just spoiling my but she say she love me, yeah.
So without it, let's listen.
All the guys they just spoiling my but she stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they just spoiling my but.
And with the mic modulation,
All the guys they just spoiling my but she stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they just spoiling my but she say she love me, yeah.
let me change it.
All the guys they just spoiling my but she stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they just spoiling my but she say she love me, yeah. All the guys they just spoiling my, she stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they just spoiling my but she say she love me, yeah. All the guys they just spoiling my but she stick to me, she no need no one. All the guys they just spoiling my but she say she love me, yeah. All the guys they just spoiling my but she stick to me, she no need no one.
Alright guys, so what you need right now is this mic modulator. Okay, you don't have to buy those expensive microphone if you don't have the money to buy it. Okay, just get this from the link in the description box. The name is God Size, still the solution carrier. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.